So coordinate geometry, distance formula. We practiced some questions. Today we'll discuss some more questions related to this formula. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and 2, 9. Okay? So we want to find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. Okay, so suppose the points are, okay, suppose 2, -5 here and -2, -2, 9 here, and we want to find a point on the x-axis. The point will lie on the perpendicular bisector of the line joining given 2 points we discussed in the last lesson. Okay, so in the last lesson we have done almost a similar question to find the relations between the x-coordinate and y-coordinates of such a point which is equidistant from given 2 points. But here the point is on x-axis. Okay, so in 2 ways you can do this. You simply mark this as xy and find out the relation between x and y. Then you substitute y is equal to 0 because this point is on x-axis. Okay, so you will get the corresponding x value. Then you can get the point, the coordinates. Otherwise, in this beginning itself, you can take the y coordinates as 0 because the point is on the x-axis. So in the beginning itself, you can choose the y coordinate as 0. Okay, so a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, 9 and 2, -5, you can take as x0. Okay, so equidistance means the distance from -2, 9 to x0 and the distance from 2, -5 to x0 are equal. Okay, so using the distance formula, you can write this as, suppose you give names as a, b and p. You can write that AP is equal to BP, and if you take the squares, you will get AP square is equal to BP square. And now you can apply the distance formula. How will come in the left side? X minus -2, right? X minus -2 square plus 0 minus 9, right? 0 minus 9 all square is equal to BP square. What will be the BP square? X minus 2 all square plus, you can tell.
0 minus 5.
0 minus -5. 0 minus -5 square. Okay. Next step, x minus -2 the square. X minus -2. It will become
X plus 2.
X plus 2 all square. And 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9 is -9. -9 square and 9 square are equal. It's equal to x minus 2 square. Okay. X minus 2 square we can expand in the next step.
4.
Plus 0 minus -5 square. Yes, minus -5 will come plus 5. So plus 5 square. In next step, you can expand these two all squares. So how will come x plus 2 all square?
X square plus 4.
4x plus
4.
4. Then the next
Plus
term
81.
plus 81 is equal to x square
Minus 4x.
minus 4x
Plus 4.
plus 4 plus
25.
25. You can cancel some terms, right?
X square on
X squares you can cancel. Any other? This
4x and minus 4x.
no. 4x and minus 4x we cannot because they are opposite sides.
And 4.
4 we can cancel. Okay. Now move this minus 4x to left side and move this 81 to right side. So what we'll get? 4x plus 4x will come in the left side. And here 25 is already here. Minus 81 will come. So next step, 8x is equal to 25 minus 81. What will come? Minus 81 minus
56.
Yes, minus 56. Okay. So x will be
Minus 7.
yes. So the coordinates of P are -7, 0. -7, 0 is the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from given 2 points. So 2, -5 and -2, 9. Okay. In the last problem we discussed in the last lesson, it was to find the relation between x-coordinate and y-coordinate of a point which is equidistant from given 2 points. In that problem, we cannot choose a y-coordinate as 0 in the beginning. Okay, so we will simply take as x comma y, and finally we will get a linear equation in the last step, and that will be the relation between x coordinate to y coordinate. Okay, similar way also you can do, and the last you can substitute y is equal to 0, you will get the corresponding x value.